Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer durable TravelMate laptops for education. And friend, Acer announced its latest addition to TravelMate series of Windows 11 education laptops and designed to improve students' overall learning experience and boost productivity whether in school or at home. And friends, Acer TravelMate B5 14 features up to and Full HD display, and it is powered by up to Intel Core i3 and series processors to support the essential needs of mobile college students as well as secondary school students. And friend, the newest 11-inch TravelMate laptop let the student get more of their blended classroom experience as the TravelMate B3 Spin 11 comes with an optional dockable Wacom AES stylus for added flexibility, while the TravelMate B3 11 has up to 9.5 hours of battery life to provide students with reliable laptop that could be maximized throughout the school day. And friends, these laptops are shipped with Acer's new user sensing software, which combines the break reminder, screen distance reminder, and user sensing technology to help reduce digital eye strain and ensure data security. And friends, the dependable TravelMate B series laptop also conform to military grade durability standard that without stops at high as 122 cm and possesses reinforced I/O ports and spill-resistant keyboard to protect inner components from damage, and HD webcams that comes with the camera shutter for added privacy protection. And friend, comes with Acer's dedication to achieving its mission in mind, and all the education laptop possesses recycled material in their components and packaging. And if I talk about the pricing, the Acer TravelMate B5 14 is priced at €399, Acer TravelMate B3 Spin 11 is priced at €349, and the Acer TravelMate B3 11 is priced at €349. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.